IELTS One Day Workshop. If you do not have enough time for preparing yourself for the IELTS, this is the best course for you. It has a lecture of just one, a course duration of also 1 day, a lecture length of no more than 4 hours. The maximum class size will be no more than 10, and the fees for this course will be 2,500 taka only. Now, who may want to join this course? Well, this IELTS exam preparation course is designed for people who need to take the IELTS test and only have a very limited time. So you may join if you have a very limited amount of time, if you want to get tips and details instruction on how to prepare and what to expect, if you want to know the best tips and hints, as well as the best procedures of getting a good result if you're aiming for a band 7.5 or higher. IELTS Preparation Workshop. Our compact 4-hour workshop shows you IELTS test taking strategies, cover all 4 test components, helping you to achieve your maximum IELTS band score. After short-term IELTS preparation workshop, you can have the facility of detailed IELTS guidance session and 250 plus pages practice materials. Moreover, at the end of session, you can have mock test evaluation also. At the end of this course, students should be able to know the composition and expectation of the IELTS listening, reading, writing, and speaking sections of the test, develop IELTS-specific listening strategies, hone general reading as well as IELTS reading strategies, identify the question types that accompany the reading passages, understand the steps and processes of writing high-quality IELTS writing task responses, respond fluently and accurately using correct pronunciation and range of vocabulary in the oral interview, improve their scores on the IELTS. This workshop focuses on a comprehensive overview of the IELTS test components and helps you develop the skills you need to obtain a creditable score on the IELTS. Content areas include test structure, type and style of questions, test directions and time management for the different sections, reading and listening strategies for speedy comprehension, writing strategies to fulfill actual exam requirements, speaking strategies to respond appropriately. So wait no more. Book your seat right now. Call us at 01646102301. More information description down in the link below. Thank you very much for your time.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.